In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scrape LinkedIn profiles into Lemlist. Before we start, quick note. Make sure you're only collecting data in compliance with LinkedIn's terms and using tools like Sales Navigator or approved integrations. Now, let's get into it. First, install the Lemlist Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store and log into your Lemlist account. Next, go to LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator and search for your target prospects using filters like job title, industry, or location. Next, click on their profile to open it up, then click on the Lemlist icon to open up the right sidebar. Next, click on Add to Campaign. Lemlist will then extract available profile data like names, job titles, companies, and sometimes emails if enriched. After that, choose the campaign you want to send these leads into or create a new one. Finally, confirm the import by clicking Push to Campaign, and your LinkedIn lead will be added directly into Lemlist ready for your outreach sequences. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use our affiliate link in the description.